South Carolina's coast marshes have served as nature's first line of defense for centuries, absorbing storm surges, filtering pollutants, and nurturing marine life. But today, these vital ecosystems face unprecedented threats. At Global Eco Adventures, our mission is to create awareness of environmental sustainability through education of protected areas. Seeking increased passion, conservation efforts, and volunteerism, we facilitate scientific education through reaching initiatives and collaboration with other organizations. Our commitment extends beyond research. We aim to empower communities with the knowledge and tools needed to protect and restore vital ecosystems. Through programs like the Smart Reef Initiative and Living Shoreline projects, we are actively shaping a sustainable future for South Carolina's coastlines and beyond. The Smart Reef Initiative was born from a collaboration between GEA, Coastal Carolina University, and the SC7 expedition, aligning with the broader goals of the South Carolina Floodwater Commission. This initiative was designed to address critical coastal challenges, including sea level rise, flooding, and shoreline erosion, while simultaneously supporting marine habitats and recreational fisheries. In 2022, GEA partnered with the South Carolina Department of Natural Resources and Coastal Carolina University to execute a Smart Reef event along the South Carolina coast. This event expanded existing artificial reef sites by adding new reef materials and deploying advanced monitoring technology, including SOFAR spotter buoys to track wave motion, positioning, and other environmental data. Volunteer citizen scientists played a crucial role in this effort, helping to gather essential data on the coastal transition zone, a key area where land meets sea and where erosion possesses significant threats. This initiative not only advanced scientific understanding, but also demonstrated the power of community-driven conservation and cutting-edge technology in safeguarding coastal ecosystems. On October 8, 2024, the town of Port Royal, in coordination with Coastal Carolina University, the South Carolina Department of Natural Resources, and GEA, announced a landmark partnership to install a Living Shoreline at Marine Corps Recruit Depot, Parris Island. Funded by a grant from the South Carolina Department of Veteran Affairs, this multi-year project will protect infrastructure from storm surges and erosion, restore marine habitats and improve water quality, enhance sediment accretion to stabilize shorelines, and support sustainable fishing through improved reef systems. The project involves installing and integrating a nearshore Smart Reef Living Shoreline system to maximize erosion control and ecological benefits, and constructing oyster-based living shorelines along 8,000 linear feet of shoreline at 11 individual sites. The initiative expands the South Carolina Oyster Recycling and Enhancement Program, utilizing recycled oyster shells to create natural breakwaters that reduce wave energy and prevent marsh erosion. GEA and Coastal Carolina University are pioneering an innovative smart reef system that combines living shorelines with advanced monitoring technology. This approach repurposes surplus concrete barriers from the Marine Corps Recruiting Depot at Parris Island to form artificial reefs and deploys bio-rock technology to accelerate calcium carbonate growth, strengthening reef structures. Thanks to Next Marine's patented portable turbine, we can integrate hydrokinetic energy to power the bio-rock growth process. Before building, we needed to understand, so we mapped the coastline in detail using LiDAR and 3D sonar to scan every curve along Elliott's Beach on Parris Island. We tracked waves and currents with high-tech sensors, painting a full picture of the forces shaping the shore. And we ran computer simulations to test different reef designs, ensuring we build something that lasts. Now, we're testing the future of reef building. A small hydrokinetic turbine designed by Next Marine Solutions will sit offshore, quietly generating power to grow the bio-rock. The Next Marine Power Float platform will house and power sensors and interfaces, to which the bio-rock elements will be attached, permitting easier buildup and measurements, providing essential data for understanding the environment. This data will be utilized nationally as part of a comprehensive understanding of the oceans and coastal regions. Sensors will monitor everything: wave height, water quality, even fish activity, providing real-time data. We'll experiment with one block first, fine-tuning the setup before full deployment. Soon, we'll take the final step. Guided by our research, we'll strategically place the concrete barriers along the nearshore and intertidal shoreline, like a puzzle designed by nature itself. A specialized crew will handle the heavy lifting, positioning each block with precision. And then, we'll watch as the reef comes to life, strengthening the shore, sheltering marine life, and standing strong against storms. This work proves something profound. The best solutions don't fight nature, they work with it. These programs exemplify how science, technology, and community engagement can come together to combat coastal erosion and climate threats. With support and collaboration from scientists, veterans, students, neighbors, and organizations, we protect critical military and ecological sites like Parris Island and pave the way for scalable solutions that can be applied worldwide. By investing in nature-based infrastructure and renewable reef systems, GEA is ensuring that our coastlines remain resilient for generations to come. Join us in our mission to educate, conserve, and innovate for a sustainable future. Not just damage control, but regeneration. Not just temporary fixes, but lasting solutions. This is how we build a future where both nature and communities thrive. Together, we are building a stronger shore.